How to get 6-digit authentication code on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're confused about how to get a 6-digit authentication code on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get the code easily and quickly. So let's dive right in. First thing first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes a slow internet connection can prevent you from receiving the authentication code. So check your Wi-Fi or mobile data before proceeding. Now, you need to know which email and phone number are linked to your Discord account. In order to check this, you need to click on the User Settings button in the Discord. Make sure you're on My Account section. Here, you can see your linked email and phone number. If you need to reveal them, just click on the Reveal buttons. But remember, I won't be revealing mine for the privacy reasons. If you are trying to log in and not receiving the 6-digit code, it could be due to multiple login attempts as well. If you have requested the code too many times, like 5 or 6, Discord might think someone is trying to hack your account. In that case, they will disable the code sending feature for about 24 hours. But don't worry, if you want to wait, you can use VPN. Just connect to a random country and try sending yourself the code again. This often works. And that's it. You should now be able to get your 6-digit authentication code on Discord without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.